Forget spending hours creating mockups in Figma. With AI, you can now turn your simple design into a professional product mockup in less than a minute. To get started, open ChatGPT in any browser. Tap on the plus icon and select the Upload Media option to upload your design. Once your design is uploaded, write a detailed prompt describing your design and the type of mockup you want to create. For example, if you want a chips brand mockup, describe the packaging style, product appearance, background, and overall look you want. You can also add details about your brand, such as colors, theme, and design preferences to get a more accurate result. After writing your prompt, tap on the plus icon again and select the Create Image option. Choose the image ratio according to your requirement, whether you need it for social media, presentations, or other platforms. Now simply tap on the Send button and wait for the AI to generate your mockup. Within a short time, your professional product mockup will be ready. You can preview the result, download the final image, and use it for branding, marketing, product presentations, or online stores without needing complex design software.